All right, guys, so this is just going to be a quick video of replacing the tail light bulbs with something a little bit brighter. And I'll leave some links to that. So when you open your hatch up, and you're going to see this cover right here, and there's one on each side. I've already removed the other side. And you'll see that there's a little gap right there. And you can use a trim removal tool or a screwdriver, right? Either one, I guess. You're just going to pop that down. All right, and it just pops right down. So pretty easy to do. And then we're just going to twist this one right here. Do that with the other hand. All right. And that's just going to pull out. And that's the bulb. And so we're just going to plug the new bulb in, and I'll show you a quick comparison of the two bulbs. All right, guys. So again, that's a stock bulb on top. This is a new bulb that we're going to put in. It's from Ala Lighting. Read the reviews on Amazon. It's supposed to be pretty good. So yeah, hopefully this will make a pretty good difference. I'm going to put one of the bulbs in. You can see that these install. I do have a glove because I didn't want to touch these and get oil on them. Probably doesn't matter with the LEDs, but it can't hurt to be a little precautious. Use a little bit of caution anyway. So yeah, the bulb just pushes in, just inserts. All right, nothing special. So let me get this installed, and then I'll do a quick comparison. All right, guys. Sorry the car's pretty dusty, but that's the stock light right there. And that's the new one. And I don't know if you can tell. Probably can't tell that much in the video. All right, guys. So just wanted to do another quick shot of the lights. And hopefully that shows you a little bit more difference between the new light on the left and the stock light on the right. Once it's completely dark, I'll try and maybe get another shot to actually show how much light it's putting out. All right, guys, so this is just kind of show you, you know, I'm on the side of my carport, pretty dark out. I'm gonna angle up a little bit, get the sky, but yeah, so you can see it's pretty dark, and you guys can already see just how much light there is right here. And this is all from the single tail light of that new LED light. So hopefully that shows you just how much of a difference there is in the light right now. And that's all right, and sorry, I shouldn't have walked underneath because that just clicked on the other light, my carport light. So here in a moment that'll go out, but yeah, it's definitely putting out a lot more light, and that's just one bulb. So you know, I think it's a worthwhile upgrade. The lights only cost about $10 on Amazon. You know, there's probably other brands that you can get. Like I said, I'll link to the ones that I purchased. And yeah, so now the carport light is out. So all of this is just from the reverse lights. All right, hopefully this video has helped you guys out, or you know, at least gave you something to think about. And I'll see you in the next video.